fruits vocabulary. Mango. Hey kids, I'm Mango, spelled with me M-A-N-G-O. Did you know I'm often called the king of fruits because I'm super juicy and sweet? I come in lots of different colors and sizes, just like you. Orange. Hi there, I'm Orange, spelled with me O-R-A-N-G-E. I'm packed with vitamin C, which helps keep you healthy and strong. Peel me and taste my yummy, juicy segments. Pineapple. Hello, kiddos. I'm Pineapple, spelled with me P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Guess what? I'm like a tropical party in your mouth. You can enjoy me fresh, grilled, or even in a smoothie. Banana. Hello, little friends. I'm Banana, spelled with me B-A-N-A-N-A. I'm nature's own energy bar. Peel me and munch on my deliciousness for a quick boost of energy. Apple. Hey kids, I'm Apple, spelled A-P-P-L-E. Did you know I come in all sorts of colors, like red, green, and yellow? Crunch into me and taste my sweet, crispy goodness. Kiwi. Hello kids, I'm Kiwi, spelled with me K-I-W-I. I may look fuzzy on the outside, but inside, I'm bursting with tangy sweet flavor. Try me and see. Strawberry. Hi there, I'm Strawberry, spelled with me S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Guess what? I'm not just delicious, I'm also full of tiny seeds that are like nature's sprinkles. Bite into me and taste the magic. Papaya. Hello amigos, I'm Papaya, spelled with me P-A-P-A-Y-A. I'm like a tropical treasure chest. Inside my orange flesh, you'll find lots of vitamins and enzymes to keep you healthy and happy. Watermelon. Hey, little pals, I'm Watermelon, spelled with me W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Did you know I'm mostly water? That's why I'm so refreshing on a hot day. Grab a slice and enjoy. Pomegranate. Hello, young explorers. I'm Pomegranate, spelled with me P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E. Inside my tough skin, I hide hundreds of delicious, juicy seeds. Crack me open and discover the tasty treasure inside.